Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Ooh.
Does it sound okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh, we're gonna get...
Cool. Ooh.
Does it sound okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Uh-oh, we're gonna get...
Let's get a thumbnail on this bad boy while people come in.
Does it sound okay?
Cool, I'm excited for this.
Alright. Uh-oh, we're gonna get...
Let's get a thumbnail on this bad boy while people come in.
Sound okay?
Cool, I'm excited for this.
Alright. Uh-oh, we're gonna get...
Let's get a thumbnail on this bad boy while people come in. Cool, I'm excited for this.
Alright. Uh-oh, we're
I
gonna
have a
get...
thumbnail. Let's get a thumbnail on this bad boy while people come in. Somewhere. Cool, I'm excited for this.
Alright. Uh-oh, we're
I
gonna
have a
get...
thumbnail. Let's get a thumbnail. Okay, so what we're doing today. Cool, I'm excited about being able
Uh-oh,
to
we
have a thumbnail. Let's get a thumbnail. Okay, so what we're doing today. Cool, I'm excited about being able
Uh-oh, we
to have a thumbnail. Let's get a thumbnail. Okay, so what we're doing today. Cool, I'm excited about being able
Uh-oh,
to
we
have a thumbnail. Let's get a thumbnail. So we've got the 3-pound competition coming up, and we have a thumbnail. Just after this. So we've got the I thought it would be fun to like live stream the designs after the so we've got the yeah, I'm just scaling down that live but like I've never designed. I've only ever designed like 15, got 12. Yeah, I'm just scaling down that live doing it today. I've only ever designed like 15, got 12. Yeah, I'm just scaling down that live doing it today. I've only ever designed like 15, got 12. Yeah, I'm just scaling down that live doing it today. I've only ever designed like. Did that fix it, Brian? Did that fix it? Maybe I'll have to do that little bit again. Awesome. Great. Cool. So we've got the 3-pound competition coming up here in just after the semester, so in March in Ohio. The date hasn't dropped yet, but I was like designing a 3 today, and I'm like, okay, this would be fun if I kind of like streamed it, because I've never designed anything other than a 12 or my 15, which is behind me somewhere. And so like, I don't know, I thought it would be fun. So much of like when I do videos and stuff, it's like, okay, I miss so much detail because it's like happening on a delay. So it's like cool to have this live, I think. We'll see. So I started this today. It sucks. I'm not very happy with it. And it shows why I have the right? Okay. It shows why I have the like 90-degree gearbox on max is because this is what you get, which is a massive pulley in the back to like get the right gear ratio. And like this is just silly. And this was using a badass 2814. Yeah, 2814, which is pretty standard for 3s is what I read. But I have all these massive Sunny Sky 5210s sitting around, so it's like, why am I not just using that? So we're gonna switch this over. I realized after that I can just use the 5210. So let's do that. Is there a way for me to see chat while I do this? Or can I? Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna do that. That's kind of mid, but we'll roll with it. Since my face is down, if I do that. Okay, cool. Alright, so instead of having this 41, this thing in here, let's switch over to the 5210. Let's get rid of this. This is sick. No, I'm excited about this. I'm excited about streaming this process. I swear my tech skills with the stream will get better, but we're just gonna do this for now. I was also thinking if people wanted it, I've got some friends playing Fortnite right now. We could play Fortnite later. It would be sick. Okay, this is. I'm gonna copy this over to. My headphones wouldn't connect either, so I'm designing without music, which is like very weird for me. So if I seem a little this will be fun. I'll enjoy this. So I have these aluminum pulleys, but I don't know if aluminum pulleys are like too much for threes, or if I'm like, I don't know. I've got them somewhere. They're attached on the. I have a box of 5210s, like a massive box of 5210s, and if we just go ahead and use that, we can do that. So how tall is this stack as well? 36 millimeter, 1.5 inches. I have my spreadsheet as well with all my conversion factors. So like I've just been, so the scale factor from 12 to 3 is just 0.632. So if I don't know like what dimension it should be, I've just been like typing it into this, and I'm hoping it makes it look like I just like hit maximizer with a shrink ray, and like that's how I want this thing to look. But it's also allowing me to try some like stuff that I haven't tried in the 12, like mounting the, ooh, this is 60 millimeters diameter. Dang, it's a big boy. I'm gonna need to bring in some special guests to help me with a 3. People who know what they're doing, because I don't. See, because that wall is getting too narrow there is the issue. It's like coming in on it. But this pulley is a nice size. Because if I'm at 300 kV, 14.48 volts, I don't know about what that pulls. But if I'm at, because that's a 1.4 inch diameter. Again, I can probably just like 3D print a new nylon one, like the aluminum. I don't know if that's needed in 3s, but if I just like go 1.4 to 0.5, 0.4, like that's a nice number there. I don't hate that. I don't know about that yet. I don't know about that number yet, so ignore that. But like that's a fine number there. But that's 1.4 to 0.4. So that changes this stack. And yeah, the aluminum versus nylon conversation. I don't know where we're at with that right now. Again, this is my first 3. I have no idea what I'm I don't know what to look for yet. Oh shit! I didn't mean to open that. 0.4. So this is 0.4 over 2. Yikes! Yeah, that's what happens when we do that. So if I do that, I probably have to run this. If I do the 5210 sunny sky, it's gonna be really cheap because I have so many that are like on the verge of being destroyed, but not quite destroyed from Maximizer. Oh, wait, I put that in as 1.4. Or 0.4. Here, give me 0.4 inches. Hang on, my microphone is... I've got it right in front of my keyboard. Let's give that a shot. Alright. Yeah, so we're still having problems with that. If I'm at a half-inch shaft. Is half-inch shaft reasonable for 12s? Or, not 12s. 3s? We'll find out. So stupid. Alright, so if I'm at 25, or let's call it 22.2, then we go up to a 0.7 here in the back. That's a larger number, yeah? Yeah, that's a nicer looking pulley. I don't want to go to 6S though in 3s. I guess because it's gonna make my drive get really hot, right? I feel like everything should be scaled perfectly, including the electronics. Which is like, do 3s run 6S? Someone in chat, tell me if 3s run 6S. I have no idea. I don't want to do that though. So let's go. If we do half-inch on the driving, or we go, I mean, we can go all the way up to, I mean, it adds no space to take this up, if that makes sense. Like if we go all the way up to like 2, not 2 millimeters, 2 inches. Oh, shoot. That would be 2 inches. Like it doesn't add any volume to, or like add any space like in the back. Oops. Okay. Making sure everything looks right. Okay, cool. We're good. We're chilling. I wish Fusion just knew when I wanted inches and when I wanted millimeters. Alright. 0.9. So if we do 1.8 driving and then we can kick this up to 0.6. It's not amazing. And by what I mean by not amazing is like how much, I guess this is a little exaggerated here because the thread is 3/8, so the thread is more like in line with this here. So 3 divided by 16 times 1 inch. So this is okay, so we've got more wall here. I'd like for this pulley to be nylon because it makes everything much much easier. And like if because I'm gonna want to change it at some point. Like that's not even like a question that I have. So this is a 3 millimeter wall. I mean plus whatever. Okay, that's not horrible actually. Maybe this will end up being alloy steel again. I mean that's about the right scale though. Like, and then this has been enlarged. Did I edit the right one? sure hope so. Okay, yeah, we did. Okay, cool. Cool, we have people watching. All right, so with that done, let's see what that looks like in terms of like how big that gets. So if we click update, see, because like this is ridiculous back here. Like that's way too big for what we're trying to do with this, and it means that the tail has to get like shorter and shorter to accommodate. Any mass that I add out by the tail means that I have to make it shorter and shorter to like compensate. So that pulley reduction is very critical. That is nice that we got that to be smaller. Am I a little upset with how large this reduction has to be? Yeah, it's not amazing because we're at like a 3-to-1 ratio, which funny enough is about the 12 is that's about right for what the 12 is at right now, which is 3-to-1. But it's all internalized on the gearbox instead of being like across the pulley. And I don't know. I think that gives it a little bit more mechanical advantage than being across the pulley, since it can, like, it's not loaded when it starts. It just like starts in an unloaded position, and then it kind of goes from there. Okay, so someone in chat said to do a flip. When we hit 100 viewers, I'll do a flip. Real. That's a real dare. All right. Thanks, Kenny. Okay. where were we? Yeah. Okay. So this is this a function? Okay. So I like in Fusion to make everything functions of like other stuff. I don't know if that's weird, but like, oh, awesome. I think my camera just turned off. Oh no, it's still working. Okay, cool. The shutter just, I guess every 20 minutes it's gonna do that. Cool, okay. Well, it's still working. Whack! Actually, I should ask how the audio sounds. Yeah, that's definitely real. Okay, cool. Okay, okay, we're good. I'm not doing a flip at 100 consecutive viewers. I lied. I lied. Oh. Alright. So, where are we at with our weapon stack? So this came out to, that's a much nicer, so that's like an inch. It's a way nicer diameter. So like this is, so my outside, this is my outside, this is my internal clearance, and then this is my pulley diameter. So let's have that plus like I don't know, 6 millimeters of clearance. So yeah, okay. So this is like, again, this is what I'm talking about. Like, there's so much little stuff that like happens when you design that you just like. I mean, it's just like little minutia that like helps so much. And yeah, it gets lost when you edit it out. So these are now constrained to that diameter, and then I can just plug this diameter in. So it's around 26. You know, it's not 26 exactly, but it doesn't need to be. This is a much nicer tail shape. I like this tail shape much more. This is a little funky right now. We can fix that. Yeah, look at that. That's looking like a thing that we could build. Let me get rid of that. I'll show you why I don't want that to actually mate there. It's because I'm gonna put a radius on here for the tool bit to come in, and I want these faces to be flush. If those were flush, like, it wouldn't like mate properly. So I'm just gonna throw a 1/4 inch radius on this so that I can hit it with a so I'm gonna kick that up to 0.3. Whoa. Shut up, Zach. Do a left arm reveal. It's on my right arm. Can you see it? It's still there. And this, I burned it taking it out of the oven, so it's not as cool. But I'm not bad at CAD, dude. Jeez. Lay off. Oh my god. What's that? What's that one video? Dominoes ain't bad without somebody in your ear telling you it's disgusting. I'm not bad at CAD without somebody in my ear telling me I'm bad at it, okay? Left ear audio ASMR. Is it only coming out the left? Ooh, yikes. Because I can make it mono. Right? Aiden, help. Oh, yeah, here we go. Okay, mono. There's just a thing here. Okay. Did that fix it? If that fixed it? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Did that fix it? Nice. Let's go. We're learning how to stream. Hype. Now, next step is learning how to use Fusion 360. So if we can know those two things, we can maybe get this done. Okay. We'll see though. All right. Well, that just broke my model. Okay. Ooh. That's looking much nicer. Okay. Jake, I still want to know what song you used at the start of your NHL championship video. Yeah, one sec. Spotify. It was I don't know how to pronounce the name. So it is in my liked, however. It's by Brain Story. Meninophobia. From their album Buck. It's pretty good. I listened to it too many times, so I kind of ruined it for myself. That's the saddest part about using music I like in my videos, is that I ruin it for myself, and then I can never listen to it again. So, but that's the sacrifice you make. Okay. Now here's a good question. On the 12, I have a asymmetric tail, so like one side is thicker because I prefer to swing that direction. I'm wondering if the 3 is gonna need the same thing, or if I mean, I don't know. I made the tail asymmetric on this, and then I ended up getting hit a bunch on the wrong side. Like, you can see there, like, the red is where Sombra hit me, and, like, that wasn't supposed to happen. So, we'll see. But, yikes. That is looking a little thin right now, though. It doesn't look like the 12 enough as well. So, but we'll get to that. We'll make it look like the 12, okay? Once I figure out how to build a 3, we can make one look like the 12. I also want to keep this part 1 op. Like, I don't want to be doing... I have UHMW left over, like, from the Max Tails. I have a massive L-shaped block. It's my big L. And I'm going to be turning it into a big W when I make this 3, baby. Let's go. Hype. Yeah. What material is the black part? TPU. So I'm thinking that, like, on the 12, where is it? Let me just open up the 12 for reference. It's got a TPU frame, like, core. But for the 3, I want to integrate, I want the TPU core to also be the mounting point for the plow. So, like, I guess the idea is, like, this takes over the job of, like, these gussets here, and then I just use holes here to bolt it to the to the TPU. You could also Shazam it. Shazam exists. I Shazam stuff all the time. I Shazammed the entrance song for NHRL. It's called The Boom Jiggle, but that's a conversation for another time. Chris, why are we using songs called oh, this is crazy. This sucks. All right, let's radius this. So you see how that, like, mates perfectly? Like, that's what I want, because that's gonna, like, just be nicer to machine and, like, overall nicer. That was a big learning lesson from the 12, is, like, actually how to integrate that CNC stuff. The other cool thing that I get to try with the 3 is that I'm I already alright, Zach's gonna I'm not responsible for Zach's permaban from YouTube when he says inappropriate things on my stream. My grandparents follow this page, Zach. Please behave. Jeez. How do I pick the angle for the wheel cant? I don't know. I'm guessing right now. This is, I think I've got it. See, that, okay, so, okay. Actual serious, like, design advice. This is why I've got everything, like, nothing here is set. Like, it's all relative to itself, if that makes sense. Like, I only have a couple dimensions in this. I know it looks like a lot of dimensions, but, like, if I zoom in here, it's more constraints than it is, like, actual dimensions. So if I come in here and I instead of if I don't want a toe in, I can just hit 90. Okay, and then it breaks. Awesome. So yeah, I can just hit 90 and then it fixes everything like to that dimension. So like everything's fixed sort of and yeah, it's defined relative to itself. Zach, they should, if there's ever combat robotics betting on like FanDuel, I would bet night after night that Threed is on fire. I would do that. I would do that, Zach Knight. I would parlay that. I would parlay that with me not knowing how to run Fusion 360 night after night. Okay. So I need to figure out. I like that. Well, okay, let's follow this a little bit more. Where are these coming from? Oh, those are okay. Well, yeah, okay. We need to make sure that our belt can fit from this motor, and also we've got a wall colliding with our motor right now, so that's not cool. So drag this out. Woo. Yeah, that's looking better. Okay, it's looking a little bit more proportional. 192 would be perfect scale, so 12 inches from there to there. But I think because the 3-pound cage is smaller, I'm gonna scale down like the length a little bit. Oh, back to the toe end. I was thinking about the toe end. I will kind of play with the toe end once I get like my center of mass. I'd like to not have it, just because it obviously contributes to like oversteering and making it hard to control. But I need that speed that provides. So, and you know, maybe the 3 is the right platform where I want to mess around with not having the toe in. Shampoo. Why are you asking about shampoo, Matt? You're bald. Favorite video game? Probably Fortnite with you, Zach. Oh my gosh, we got 29 people in chat. Let's go. Cool. It's like weird. All right. All right. So we got to make sure our belt can fit. And so I want this to be 13 millimeter. And then this assembly 1.8. Is that right? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, cool. Oops, sorry. I need to just close Discord, actually. Because if I accidentally do that again, I'm going to show who my friends are. I don't want that. Oh, did my camera... Oh, my camera turned off. I knew it. Alright, hang on. I think there's a limit. See, because I'm frozen. That's awesome. Why is it doing this? Oh no. Oh, it's out of battery. Awesome. That's why. All right, we'll be right back. Hey, we're back. Okay, cool. We're not back on this stream though. Oh, okay, cool. Crisis averted. All right. I'm not gonna leak the stream key, Aiden. Why would I do that? Okay, cool. Framed up with Max perfectly in the background. Oh, all right. So we're making sure our belt fits. That's what we're doing right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw a line from the outer diameter of this weapon stack to the outer diameter of like that, and then check to make sure there's clearance, which there is, but if we did a little bit more clearance, that would probably be smart. I also don't like how that just kind of ended up weird out there, so let's take that all the way into there. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Hell, let's make this parallel. Ooh, wait. Let's lock this position because this position is going to be important because I got to make sure there's enough room to route the wires from the sunny sky back into the ESC, because they're going to have to go in between, or probably more up and over. If they can go up and over, that would be cool. I started going up and over with Maximizer's wires, and that was cool. That was a big upgrade. Just made a lot more space, and like I didn't have to cram them down inside when I was putting the robot deck together. So if we could go up and over, that would be pretty cool. I also need to look at the there's actual other like Thagamizers in the 3-pound class that I can reference. Okay, that's let's not do that actually. So like Bulkhead, Kitsune, Bulkhead's got a lot of development behind it, and I've had the opportunity to talk to Rita on a couple of occasions. She's cool, and Bulkhead is sweet. So I can actually like reference their, and maybe I need to sit down and actually like watch them fight a little bit more closely, because it might show some stuff that I need to be aware of when I design this 3. Those are kind of thick wall for a beetle weight. Do you think you have weight? Bulkhead had bending issues. Where bending where? Is it bending through the chassis or bending? That is that's a concern I have with the 3. is that it's like the UHMW is not nearly going to be stiff enough. Also, we're going to need to bring this like in. Okay, this is getting weird quick. We're going to have to add an additional chamfer here. Micarta. What is micarta? Oh, front to back belt tension issue. Yeah. Yeah, that's a potential problem. I've never had belt tension issues with Max. Funny enough. But yeah, that's definitely something that we're gonna need to look out for as we build this. All right. Wow. All right, that broke everything. Cool. Awesome. 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 Hi, Kazaya. I'm coming to your weight class. Nowhere is safe. Nowhere is safe. Get out. No. Please don't bring Kitty 12. No. 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 There's enough. I'm already afraid of the... Ugh. I feel like that's such an insult. Stay in your weight class, okay? Stay in your weight class. just like something catty like to say to someone. Stay in your weight class. All right. Yeah, the March Ohio competition, Aiden. Yeah, I want to take it to that. Just like, cause that's gonna be 3s only, but it's gonna be so close. Ooh. Tom has 3 ants. Ant weight pause. Are there weight bonuses in ant weight to make like a 3-pound pause in weight, like a massive 3-pound pause in the ant? I'd like to do more ant competitions. Oh yeah, May. Sorry, not March. The location hasn't been announced yet, so there's not a ton of details. Ooh, horizontal saw. Very cool. All right. So I want to keep this. Well, okay. Let's throw our motors in here. I have a bunch of stuff in here from earlier, but I didn't like how that turned out. So we're just gonna delete all that. Even though I did like that concept where the motor was like kind of held out. So let's bring in this 5210. Oh, yikes. That thing is massive. Okay. Okay, maybe this motor's too big. No, that's fine. Look at that thing. That's funny. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. That's so huge. It's funny because that's the same size as what I ran. Wait, let me open up this. This is an old one. Okay, I just have a lot of. Hang on. It's not that I need that. It's that I have a box like this big of the exact motor that I need. And like people were yelling at me like, "Oh, Jake, that's a Beetle-sized motor. You're going to burn that up." Well, yeah, it was the only thing that would fit. But yeah, so like yeah, no, that's hilarious. Okay, so that's oh wait, that's 1.6 rebuild. So like yeah, that and that take the same motor. Perfect. It's 200 grams. It's 200 grams, so 0.44 pounds. Ooh, yikes. That is a large motor. Maybe I was overly ambitious with that. Is that real? Let's weigh one. How about that? Okay, yeah, it's 0.44 pounds. Well, okay. Well, that's a bummer. That's a bummer that's 15% of my weight in weapon. Yeah. Drinking game. Every time Jake says yeah. Okay, Aiden. I'll stop expressing. Fine. Yikes. Okay. Let me go get a glass of water while I think on my sins. Ooh. Well, at least it won't have startup issues. What's my weapon stack setting at? What are we at? Okay, 234. Is that looks about right? 234. All right. Well, okay, so weight's gonna come from a lot. On the 12, the top cover and bottom cover are aluminum. On the 3, they're gonna be Garolite. I'll go with like 3 mil Garolite. Yikes. That's a big motor. How thick is this right now? Oh, we're at an inch. I have 1.5 UHMW, so I can bring this up half an inch to like protect that, and I'll probably throw a tie cover. 3mm Garolite's thick. Okay, maybe I'll go lighter with that then. I can. We're gonna trust the process though. As far as batteries, I looked at the Lumineer 700 mAh 4S. this looks to be about like what I need. It's 30 tall. So if I accept that, that's gonna need to make the chassis taller. So let's do like a 30 millimeter chassis. That looks a bit more reasonable with like the scale of everything. Another question that I have with the 3 is like, is the UHMW slick enough that I could just put the weapon into it and spin it with no bearings? Like, do I actually need to run bearings on this, or like, can I just not? Like, that would be very cool. 1 inch. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. That should be construction. But for now, because like if I just like lubricate the weapon shaft and stick it in the UHMW, just let her rip, like what's the worst that could happen? I mean, it's designed to be slippery, right? Like, you know, what's the big deal? Maybe it'll jam, like maybe it'll get hot. Live shaft through UHMW, because I says no. L plus no bearings. Okay. Look how much motor I've got behind it. It can just crank through the friction, okay? It'll get hot. You should do it when we fight. Yeah, thanks. Okay. Okay. I think weapon stack, because this is okay. 0.625. Okay, so let's do. So this needs to be. Minus 0.5 inches. Or no. 0.5 inches. That needs to be that big. And then if we just brought this to this face. And this up. Looks just like the 12. That's dope. I don't want to do 2 ops on this part though. Like that's gonna be a pain. I don't think it needs 2 ops either. I think it will be just rigid enough with that. There, bearing. You happy? We'll do that. Okay, I have a bunch of the motors. It's I don't want to spend money on this. Okay. I hear you, Dylan. I don't want to do flange bushings. And bushings get hot and seize. Bushings get hot and seize. Now, I don't know. I mean, what RPM am I? Yeah, see, I'm at 13,000 RPM. Yeah, I don't want to do that. That is something that I considered, though. I would I would rather just shove it through the UHMW than have bushings. That is a consistent opinion that I hold. I'm not being inconsistent. Let's go. Let's make this plastic. If this is plastic, how much is this at? Because my drive is already at 160 grams. Okay. That's probably a little low, but about right. I also need to figure out center to center, like, the distance that it should be. Hang on, someone just DM'd me. Okay, it's very controversial that I just want to run the shaft clean through HMW. You know, a lot of please don't DM me about this. Oh god, how do I wait? How do I plan to battle vid ferrets like this? I don't know. Hit him, and if that doesn't work, I'll, you know, hit him again. I shouldn't be so mean. That's a very good question. I don't know. In fact, I'm hoping that... okay. Let me figure out the distance between these pulleys and then I'll comment. If I need a 10-inch belt... yeah, and don't ask me why I don't like make this calculator back solve. I am too lazy to do it. I would rather just type in numbers until I get it right. Okay. I use that calculator every once in a while. It's not worth it. Oh, I already have a dimension there. Yeah, see, master sketches are great. You'll always know exactly what you need to find. Oh, wow. I'm going to run much larger than a 10-inch belt. Yeah, I'm going to end up running... because this is 180. I mean, maybe this is sitting a little long. Maybe we bring this in. Okay, why is that doing that? Let's actually not change, please. Thanks. Cool. It's kind of cute. I'm a little worried if those overlap though. I will hit myself and I will destroy my own weapon motor. So let's go 160. But obviously we have to round to the nearest belt here. So let's go 6.7. 0.6. Nice. Yeah. Oh, no, wait. I need to find the nearest belt. Ooh, I was calculating the wrong thing. Okay. Hang on. That's... okay, that's what I need to find. Okay, 6.54. 6.54. So if we crank that up to 166, that should be exactly where we need it to be. Tell us all about your big vert plan. Big vert runners in my chat trying to get me to tell all my secrets. You will tell us about your big vert plan, Jake. You will. You have to. You have to tell us about your big vert plan. All right. Let's get a weapon in here, yeah? So okay, so the weapon stack is the exact same as like the early maximizer stack with like just an off-the-shelf shoulder bolt. Nothing custom. I'm assuming I can just ride on this bolt and like be okay. And I think I'll core it out to 3/8, but I might step it down a little bit in real life. So we'll see. It's my big horizontal plan. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna try to hit them. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna try to hit them again. I'm not trying to be facetious when I say that. What is my ramp plan? His new bot looks dope, by the way. Slam plan. It's pretty terrifying, just because I know he's had it for a long time, and so it's like very, very developed, and like that's always weird with a new bot to walk into, especially going to like Motorama, like walking in with a bot that is like known, like it's got its problems figured out, like it's all that stuff. I think he's gonna do. I think the business cat is gonna do very well with it. It's a really cool robot. I like the welded airframe. I'm a big fan of the welded airframe on Carmen, and I think it's in the same vein. Max won't be at Moto. I'm working on UC's bots. We have a ton of bots. We have 7 robots going to March, 6 of which are 12s. So we've been getting all those together. So like we just had like 2 big manufacturing days over at our makerspace, just like getting everything together. It's been quite the ride. Just like dealing with problems. Everybody's got something unique that's going on, and that's fun. So with all that overhead, it's Moto's not happening this year, but hey, maybe next year. I think I'd get smacked at Moto, and I think I'd get smacked because the cage is small. And I think a thing that I benefit from is how large the 12-pounder cage is. Like, cage to weight ratio is very high. I think that's why you see like there's no walkers in 12s. It's a lot of 4-wheel drive verts. I think they all play off the fact that the cage is big. I think it allowed me to do very well in 12s. I do not think I'd do well at the Moto cage. It would teach me how to fight like an animal. I'm sure, and I'm sad that I'm missing out, don't get me wrong. I did want to go. I love having my ass kicked, so it is tons of fun, because you learn a lot, and then you make your robot better. It's tons of fun. That was not an invitation, Tom. Mr. Farkas. Stay in your weight class. Stay in your weight class. That's such a unique insult. Oh my gosh, that's so catty. I love that. Yeah, Kitten Mittens was yeah. Kitten Mittens is one of the ones that works. Yeah. And but Kitten Mittens, yeah. I don't know how it would do today. Like, I don't know. I haven't been in this sport very long, so I can't like say like, okay, Kitten Mittens would like suck in this field. But like I can't put a finger on like how it would do. I'm sure Luke would say the same thing. And you know, maybe I'm just making stuff up right now. But Kit Mittens is one of those bots that like the blade is so slow and it's so heavy that like it doesn't need any speed to get engagement. Like Silent Spring will like dive from the other side of the arena and get a ton of engagement, even though it's a walker. I don't know if Silent Spring is a good example because it's so fast. Like Droopy's slow, but it gets a ton of engagement because it, you know, it's moving big blades slow, and Kittenman's is the same situation where it's moving a big blade really slow, and then it gets just like insane amount of bite because it's, you know, as soon as it contacts you, it's gonna break you. All right, I'm hunching forward in my chair again. All right, so that's what that panel looks like. And then the top would look something like, let's project from that first sketch there, yeah, so that we can reference that plane. And then over here. I'm just trying to get a general idea of what these covers look like. This is nothing final, you know, just kind of when we're just doing the gross tonight. We'll come back and we'll detail everything in. Stop asking me my plan to fight different bots. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. How would you fight an 18-pound paws? How would you fight a 12-pound kitty? I don't know. It's not a good question. It scares me. I don't want to think about that, man. I'm trying to relax and design stuff. I've invited you into my safe space here. You're stressing me out. Yeah, that looks pretty sweet. I wish Garlight's got this like, the G10 has this like nice like dimpled surface on it. Man, I wish that existed in the Fusion 360 library, because like the metal flake like adds this like weird thing. I don't know, maybe I'm being too particular. Maybe I just need to put gloss paint on everything. Okay, the other thing with these gearboxes, like I've got them just like face mounted now. These are Peter's like pro gearboxes. I don't know if they're gonna be too much because they are like 80 grams each, and oh god, I've just got them face mounted right now, but I think the top and bottom covers, I'm gonna have some like permanently installed TPU to like sandwich it, and like I might even just hot glue the TPU to the Garolite, and then when the 4 main bolts tighten it down, it just kind of like clamps the whole thing. So we'll see about that. Oh. All right. Here's the real question. We haven't even touched the plow yet. Let's set this to FR4. What are we at weight-wise? And this is the fear. Yikes. Shoot. We are... Oh, wait. I have... Hang on. This is... Hang on. False alarm. This is set to a steel block here in the front. Let's set this to magnesium. Oh, yeah. Fun fact. If you set your batteries, like if you extrude it in the volume that it is, and you set it to magnesium, it's roughly the right weight. It's very close. So I'm going to... I learned that recently, and I thought it was a cool fact. Okay, so that's no longer a steel block in the front. So we're aiming for 1360 grams. That's not much better. Ooh, that's a bit tight on weight, isn't it? That is not bad. Your face is over the weight. Oh, your face is over the weight. Okay. We're being robbed. Okay. For reference, we have 300 grams to play with, so we are not even close. Repeat pros is too much, probably too much for drive. Are they I picked the repeat pros because they look like little P6s and I thought they were adorable. Are they that much heavier than the repeat maxes? No, see, they're okay. Well, they're okay. They're they're heavier. 70 grams. No, I'm not gonna say the funny number. Jeez. And these are the pros. How big are the pros? Oh no, those are the magnums. I was like 250 grams. What are you talking about? 80. So it's it's only 10 grams of difference. Plus these are cute. Okay. Jeez. So it's not too much different. And I'm gonna cut down the shaft, which is gonna remove, you know, a couple grams. So the difference is kind of negligible there, as far as like the difference there. Ugh. If the weight's gonna come from anywhere, it's gonna be the weapon drive motor. Okay. MaxBot that doesn't have motors with Max in the name? Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Liam. Yeah, this one, but look how cute these are. They look just like the 12s. Look how cute they are. It looks the exact same. That's adorable. I might even paint them like silver and red so they just look like little ones. That's so cute. But with this massive motor pocketed right next to it. Okay, so this is, we can do, well, we need to do a couple things. Our bearing stack is kind of screwed up right now. Like, we don't have enough room for the tapered, like, or for the thrust, which, yeah, that kind of sucks. How many views we got right now? People are still watching. Yeah, we got 33 people watching. I'll keep going. Keep going. Use not a 5210. Yeah, but I have a bunch of 5210s, okay? I don't want to buy more motors for this. All right. Let's make a new sheet metal component. Wow. And so, okay, so this is where my plan for this thing is kind of coming to fruition, is using this. Why isn't this? Huh, whack. Okay. Why is there this line here? Oh, that doesn't matter. Okay, weird. Okay, well, I want to use this front TPU as the plow mount, just because it means it makes this, like, all I have to do is form the plow, and, like, that's a really easy operation over on the bender. So yeah, so if we make a new sketch here, ooh, okay, let's mock up some wheels real quick before we do this. The wheels on max are 82. The wheels on the max go round and round. They're 82 millimeters. Oh, I already had that in there. So if we go to 52, that will be a perfect scale, which will be very cool. Those are going to be potentially a little small. Use chat pop out chat. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's... Can I pin this? Can I pin this? Size. I can do this. Yeah, barely clears the motor. Yeah, that's not good. So we're gonna need to go up to like a 60 millimeter wheel. Ooh, all right. That looks like a wheel. Perfect. Done. Wheel. Cool. All right. So we're gonna have to go up in wheel size if we keep this motor, which if we keep this motor. Wait, is Johnny in chat? Oh god, I didn't recognize his name. I hate that kid. No, that's not true. He's a good kid. He's just on the wrong path. Okay, let's design the plow then. now that this is ready. Oh, shoot. Clip it. Clip it. A new motor's only like $20 to $30. Yeah, that's probably true. I guess we are playing with threes. I'm used to spending $80 on a motor and never wanting to get a new motor. Because if I do a badass, like, I mean, if I do a 2814, 2814's, the issue becomes the same issue with the 12, which is if we want to get it in a compact chassis, there has to be some sort of additional reduction, because the pulley has to be really small in the back so that I can still like swing and keep my center of mass nice and tight. So I have to come up with a different way to reduce this than just like, because the KV is too high. And if I go down in KV, then the wattage is too low. And if I go up in motor size, then I'm back where I started. This is the roundabout game that I played with a 12 until I just gave up and threw the 90 on it. Because like Cobra's not much better. Like those are way too small. Because Kitty uses a 28mm Cobra. It's a big one. It's like maybe I can use a 2808. But see, the KV is massive. The KV on that Sunny Sky is 300. And maybe I just end up going down. Maybe I just end up going down in the Sunny Sky pancake class. Like, because if I go down to like a 3506, it's still 400 kVA. 80 grams. What should I be looking for in terms of weight? Because like I don't really care about, I really don't care about like any specs other than weight. Like that's the first thing that I look for, is like how much does a motor weigh. Not to say that I don't care. Like obviously that determines stuff like pulley ratio and stuff like that. But like weight is big. And maybe I'm wrong in that. You know what I need? Toby. Is Toby in chat? What did he use on Eileen? That's the motor that I need. Because this thing was flat and it worked. I mean, spin up was a little slow, but I think he had it. I mean, it was a much bigger disc than what I was spinning. Maybe it's someone who knows Toby. DM Toby. What does Caldera run? That's another good question. Is Brian still in chat? Not. Oh my gosh. Why doesn't it just automatically show NHRL results? I don't understand. $35.30. 28.14. 850. 28.14 850 is a badass size. No, it's not. Badass has a 2814 870. That's not horrible. 600 watts. 600 watts. Is 600 not watts enough? Okay. I mean, if that sounds good. I mean, I'm pulling I'm pulling 700 out of this and it's 200 grams. I hate pancake motors. All right. Well, do I want to revisit that? I want to design plow. Give me plow. All right. Well, let's revisit the 2814 because if I have a 2814, I have a model for it. You're gonna see all my screwed up folders. This is what it came to. 2814 with the specs that I had on it. But if I do 870 kV and I drive it I guess I don't have to run it at full speed. I mean, because that gears it for 328, but it's like... Because that adds height. Because if I do... Oops, that's a big maximizer. Is the 2814 850? Is that a Aerosky size? Ooh. (2014) Sonic Sky has a 2014 900. It's $17 cheaper. That's pretty good. See, this is half the weight. That's the big thing. Flip timing belts around the can for lower diameter. Yeah, that's true. I could do that. Weight, Jaron, not good. Not good. I'm used to having 12 pounds to spend on weight. You have much less than 12 pounds. I mean, okay, this gears it for 328. You guys are getting me distracted. I mean, if I gear it like that, I mean, if I run it at, what, 80% of that? I mean, if I top it out at 70%, I mean, that's reasonable. Then I don't have to do the weird gearing, and that motor will have plenty of power. What's the weight? The motor weight, 3 head. Well, this one is this one, I tell you, is 200 grams, which I've been told is too much. So if I do the badass 2814, then I can do 1-to-1, and that's way nicer. So let's do that. Are you saying that that's too big? That's what Droopy runs. I guess. Yeah. What do you mean that's too big? So, okay, so we're back to this. I mean, this is 50 millimeter diameter, so it's a little... Okay, that's a pretty big... Now that I think about it, that's a pretty big gain. Because if this is 50 millimeter, yeah, that's... Can you guys trust the process? Thank you. And I'm gonna I feel comfortable going up on that side, like in size. Like, that's not terrible. Because like, if I go up to like a 0.7, like a 0.8, like that's much, and I run it at, let's say 80%, like that's much more reasonable. So if I mean, switching that from 0.3 to 0.4 like doesn't actually end up making it that much larger. Okay, that's actually not terrible. That 870 kV or that 870 kV badass is going to be the ticket then. I didn't know if that would have enough wattage. A cogged will be fine. Yeah. If we do, if it's cogged, you can get it super tight. I've seen Toby like on Eileen. Oh my gosh, those are minuscule pulleys. Even on the non-cogged ones, you can push them pretty tight. Like on Psycho, he's got a timing. He's got a little. He's got an idler there to push the wrap, like tighter. It's pretty impressive how he's got that set up. I know that's like, oh my god, Jameson Go did something impressive, you know, like everyone's like, but no, it's so cool. It's so cool. Yeah, that's just gonna be more reasonable. Thanks for talking me out of that. That's way cooler. Nice. Nice. Okay, that's... Ooh. Okay. Kenny just sent me something for the art for Maximizer, and it looks amazing, but I'm not gonna like do, like, I don't know. Should I show it off on stream? Is she still in here? We'll see. It's gonna look great. It's gonna look really cool. I'm very excited about it. I'll probably throw it in a video. I don't know if I'm gonna get another video out before March is over, which is why I'm streaming right now. Because it's like, well, if you're at the event, you'll see it. It's gonna look amazing. I'm really excited about it. Okay. All right. Making you feel insecure about how scuffed my catting is. Oh, you have no idea. If you think this is bad, oh my god. I'm very messy. Well, I'm being not messy because I have people watching me. It's like driving. Get like really careful, or like driving with your parents or whatever. Where you're like being extremely careful. Mr. Farkas is gonna be there. Let's go. If this is overweight, I might need a mini pod driver. I might hit up your all's pit tail. Or man, if I want to win, I'll get I'll get Nate Franklin to minibot for me. He knows how to pick a bot that'll win a fight. I'll tell you that much. Dang. Dude is the king minibot driver right now. Ooh, Kenny says secret. Okay, secret. It looks really good. my mic quiet? I can turn it up. Is that better? If we want to do I don't want to do Q&A. I mean, we could do Q&A. The Q&A from okay, that was not a real thing. like okay, the Q&A from the 12-pound chat. Someone pinged me about something from God. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna 1 sec. The Q&A thing from earlier, it was real. Shut up, Jaron. Okay, I'm starting up Discord. I'm hiding my screen. Big Jake. Big Jake. Turn up your mic. Okay, I turned it up. Jaron, do you want to come read through Q&A with me? Do you want to read through the Q&A with me, Jaron? Here, do I need to turn my mic up again? Is it still too quiet? Okay. I'm sending you an invite to... Okay, you have to behave because we are on stream. I just invited you to a chat. Okay, stop posting Q&A in 12s. Please post it somewhere else. Please stop spamming 12s. Okay. We'll do Q&A. I have to put my headphones on because my earbuds wouldn't work. So we're putting the gamer headphones on. How many people are in chat? Alright, I am gonna save this real quick in case I don't touch it tonight. Alright. Oh, well, you're watching. Alright. I think they can hear you? Okay, you have to behave if you're on stream.
I will, don't worry.
Okay. How many people are watching? I need to look. Hang on. I have my chat.
30.
30? Nice. We've had about 30 all night. It's been good.
Nice.
Those of you who don't know Jaron is
The guy who's got the most to say.
you might know him from saying things in the Norwalk Discord. Okay. Let's go back to so okay, let's explain the situation about like what happened today. Stop laughing, bro. Okay, so this person pinged me with dude, could you pull it together? Holy crap. How?
My mic isn't even unmuted.
What do you mean? People can hear you.
I have a headset mute.
Okay, this is not... If you're in chat right now, please do not spam 12s. I'm serious. Stop. Actually, don't. This started today at 2:13. Somebody responded to this, which was from like... It was from 7 days ago. And I said, okay, let's not like ping Jake a bunch because Chris did it. And then everyone in our Discord server started to ping 12s. And this is what okay, I had a meeting with my academic advisor at like 3:30. And the entire time I was sitting there, all I could feel, okay, stop. Okay, I'm gonna put chat in timeout if they don't stop spamming. Okay. But I thought it would be funny if we treated it like a real AMA. Okay, someone is gonna get. Oh my god! Someone ping Gil.
Get bots in here now.
The next thing that happens is gonna be Gil. Oh, if you guys can't behave, we'll bring Gil in here to clean this up, because this is too much. Please stop. This is a mess.
Oh my god.
This is a mess. Stop. Put your questions. Okay, because now I'm encouraging this. Put your. I wanted to do a funny, but I also didn't want to encourage this. I couldn't have it both ways. Yeah, it is on me. Okay. Stop. Spam this chat. This is your playpen. Please do not spam this chat. Oh god. This is. I'm never streaming again. Ugh. Alright. Well, we can at least address these questions. Why do I have this film on my controller? And that's because it was expensive. Okay?
Why do you hate Maximizer?
It's the worst robot. It's terrible.
I agree with this.
How do you set up the cake switch to be in link mode? That's a... Why no third dumpster? Brazilians. How to bake a cake? It's a lot of steps. What material is Maximizer's tail? It's full aluminum. How long does it take to make the aluminum tail? 4 months. 4 months of machining. Why haven't you made a 250-pound Maximizer? And thanks, Ethan, for that question. Oh my god. People are still funny. It's because I'm poor. Can I have that one piece of my beater bar back? No. I love your robot minimizer. It's my favorite.
Oh
12.
my god, look at what just got
Dude,
posted.
Who posted that? Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. This is over. Alright. This is a problem now. Oh my god. Kazai's dope. Thanks, Sean. Kazai's way cooler than me as well.
Jake, and as you quote.
Oh. I did not mean
it's
to.
Me, don't worry.
No, I didn't mean. I opened up the wrong server.
Oh.
Hang on. I opened up the wrong server.
I should have just
sec.
DM'd it to you.
Yeah, okay. I didn't mean to open up the... There we go. Okay, now we're back.
Here.
Okay, because I had just pinged me using my Discord. Oh my god.
Do you need me to read them to you?
No, I can read the ones in 12s. I'm not gonna open our DMs. Here, let me open our DMs on our phone. On my phone. Kenny asks what is happening. Oh my god. Get bots. Is streaming and said to stop pinging. So we started pinging. You know, and that's on me. Is that your real here? It's not. Favorite band, Rascal Flatts. No. If Maximizer or Doombo, what weapon type interests you? Probably a Vert. How much was a super heavyweight cost? More. Alright. Stop! Okay, I invited you. How do you choose... Okay. How do you choose the right... Alright. All right, this bit's done. This has gotten completely out of hand. I was gonna stream for 2 hours, and we've hit. Okay, I have to mute Discord now. Oh my god, what a nightmare. I should have expected this, Jaren.
Yes, you should have. To take that message down.
Alright, I'm not answering any more questions from the 12-pound chat. That's it.
You're not even gonna answer what you feed Maximizer?
More.
More?
How do you choose the right KV? Usually by figuring out your desired tip speed and your diameter, and then kind of like working back from there. It's always better to like overdrive than underdrive.
They're still going.
Are they really? Dude, oh my god. We're legitimately gonna get in trouble.
You're gonna get in trouble.
Yeah, this is never... I'm never gonna be allowed to do that again. That's awful. Oh, god. I cannot wait from the DM from Gil tomorrow. About how I need to behave.
Mr. Zachary Knight in YouTube chat. I haven't seen this guy around yet.
Why aren't you the best builder in Kentucky? It's because Toby's way better than me, dude. Because I can't even build a 3. Because in 2 hours, this is how far I got on a 3. He'd have this thing designed and done. I'm not even close. I'm not even close to the best builder in Kentucky. The skill gap is so wide. I can... Oh my god. Yeah. That's not... Oh god.
It's Do you know
I literally
what,
cannot...
when, and where the max was established?
Oh my god. Dude, my DMs are a tidal wave right now.
Your Discord DMs?
Yes.
Why is Zach just texting me 1? He's just counting up.
Oh my god. We're gonna get in so much trouble tomorrow. Oh my god. I'm gonna be in so much trouble tomorrow. Some mod is... I'm gonna...
Dude, look at this. Oh my god, Zoe, stop. Okay, thank god. Oh my god, she's doing it too.
It's an audience of 30 people, okay? It's not... Yes, Zach's doing that to me too. The fact that you all can't behave in front of an audience of 30... That's nuts. That's like a small Starbucks. Like, you can't even go out in public at that point. Oh my god.
Oh my god,
That was a big mistake. I thought that would be a funny bit, and I thought that people would behave, but...
Zoe, I'm gonna
I
not
was
be your
mistaken.
emotional support human at Moto now.
Alright. Do you wanna... I was thinking we could do like react content, but
React to what? The numbers in your DMs?
that's the only thing that I can react to right now is the amount of numbers, about the amount of spam happening in my DMs. Stop, dude. You can see my screen, right? Yeah, you can. You can
through the live stream, yeah.
Yeah, through the live stream. Yeah, look how many Discord it's just been slammed at 9 plus for 30 minutes now. It's
Wow, I'm surprised Zach stopped. I know that's gonna get him to start again, but he had very little resolve to continue that chain.
well, because he started doing it to me, dude. It's not so much. Alright. Send fights in chat and I'll react to them. React to the second fastest KO ever in 12s. He's such a sweat. Dude, this sucks. Oh my god. I'm never. Dude, I thought it would be fun to
Tough
stream.
draw. Promhead is one of our best.
Oh, that's really loud. Is that okay volume for everybody? Is that an okay volume for everybody? Or is that too loud? This is where Zach and I met, and every time Zach gets the chance, he watches this fight because he enjoys it. Bro, can you see this one?
Man, your face cam is even worse than the Norwalk driver cam, dude.
Is it too large?
It's so big. It covers
let me turn it
almost
down.
a quarter of the screen.
Okay. I'm just getting used to all the stream like commands. Okay. Is that better?
That's better. That's better.
Does it cover up Zach?
I
It
don't know
should.
if OBS is covering it right now.
Here. It's
That's fine.
No, I want it to cover up Zach's face so it looks like it's me versus me. I don't want to. I don't want to give him the satisfaction.
No free promotion.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
Listen to that sound. Oh, what a hit. And a combo, and I see some parts, and I see some smoke. Whoa.
Damn, that's crazy, dude. Who could have
Have
seen
you
this one coming?
probably everyone who's seen this fight before, which is like half of chat.
I've seen it more times in the past 2 weeks than I have in the rest of my life.
It hides links. Oh, it hides links. Can I? Well, just type the fight in chat. I'll pull it up. Yeah, so that's how I met Zach Knight. If you look, that's part of my robot.
That's when your life started going down.
So yeah, it was all downhill from here. Everything was perfect up until this point, and then I always love how delayed that is. The receiver that was in this robot that got ripped out the back, I just installed it in Maximizer. It still works.
Oh my
Because
god, it's alive.
yeah, I've had it as a backup, but hang on, you can see it hanging out of the back, right? You can see the little orange light. There it is. There.
Yeah.
That receiver still works and is currently in my robot. I think I'm gonna run it in March. Why did you go to touch the weapon? Oh yeah, because I'm stupid. Yeah, watch me come over here. Yeah. This was my first Norwalk ever. So I didn't. And the adrenaline, I didn't understand. Yeah, look at the.
Jake, share your screen so I'm not reacting to 20 seconds behind you.
Oh, are you really reacting 20 seconds? Okay, hang on. Let me. Do I have. Oh my god. Oh, dude. Please don't send messages in here. This is. Okay. Okay, I'm sharing screen. Is that helpful? Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Is that cool? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Why did I come up to Zach's weapon? Yeah, watch this. Yeah, the moments the door opened, my fingies just go straight to. Yeah. It just didn't even compute to me that I shouldn't touch that. Well, it wasn't as bad as earlier. Earlier in the day, I fought. It was the original version of Herbie. Dude, watch what I do after the fight. Okay, the fight's fine. Like I won. Okay. I was shaking. I was so nervous. Because this is like my third fight ever, by the way. I walk in, I pick up my robot, don't turn it off. Here we go. All right. Oh, wait, put it back. Gotta put the weapon lock on. I just walked away with it. Yeah, we did. Okay. off the 3-pound. Abomination versus deep cut or loopy versus stress concentration. I need to watch more 3-pound fights. I'm glad you're here for this. Yeah.
Why? Because me?
Yeah, I don't watch 3-pound fights, but I'm gonna watch them now. I don't know what to look for.
I don't know.
Abomination versus deep cut.
I just watch my own fights.
Oh, this is oh, jeez.
Damn.
Oh, wow. Wow. How was that panel being held on?
Probably just
Are there
side
screws there?
tapped.
Oh, yeah.
They're the sides are side tapped.
Ooh. Yeah, those look like M3s all the way through the body, which looks very familiar
Can you
to
tell
this.
that?
What do you mean? Look, they look like M3s through the body, which is what I have here. So potentially on the... Am I wrong?
No, I was
Hot
just shocked
glue,
you could tell
hot
it's
glue and
M3.
Gorilla Tape. Are there not M3s there?
I don't know. There could be anything from a number 4 to an M6. Like you can't tell.
You can't just look at
No.
screw sizes. Oh,
Let's watch Absolute Zero versus Box Mod.
I haven't seen this fight.
This fight is so
I just
stupid.
I just saw. Wait, that's it?
the match.
That's it? That's awesome. That's a great fight. That's so funny. That's so funny.
I wish he had that video where Eric flipped over against a flamethrower.
Woo. That's hilarious. That's a good one. Thank you, Chatter.
What?
My first fight,
I'm not
Frank.
A
No, that was submitted by a Chatter.
AZ?
What?
What? Oh, never mind.
A Chatter suggested that. Oh wow, Deep Cut has gone through a lot of. That's why I don't recognize this robot. Yeah, no, there are M3s. Ooh.
How do you know that's M3? What?
Yeah, that's an M3, buddy. That's an M3 if I've ever seen one. That's why I don't recognize this bot. It's because it's gone through many changes. That's cool. It's very cool.
Zach is pleading to me to let him in.
He wants to be on. Zach Knight wants to be on stream.
Yes.
Oh my god.
That's a bomb. That's a bomb waiting to happen.
Is he gonna behave? Plot twist.
You
They're
know him.
Imperial screws. Yeah, he'll behave. Alright. Maybe. What do you mean? What? He'll behave. It's another fight.
Quote.
Oh,
here,
Frank.
actually,
That's what I was looking for. I was looking for.
Zach doesn't want to be on stream. Oh my god. Not you two, Zoe.
I think next week we'll start the special guest to help me with my 3-pound build.
Your CAD.
Yeah, with my 3-pound build.
Who's it gonna be? Somebody that only builds 30 pounders?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'll bring in. Yeah. Someone who's never built a 3. January event. NHL Frank versus. God, I don't want to open Discord because you guys will be inappropriate again.
Do you not have a second screen?
No, I don't. The Brett Zone stream. Can I not just type in Frank? Oh, they haven't updated the weekend Or
Yeah,
sorry,
they haven't updated January yet.
Yeah, they haven't. Yeah, they haven't updated. Do not open Discord. Jesus Christ. 24 pings.
Zoe wants to be a good chatter.
I can't quite describe. Tom, is it on the main
Dude, you need me to find
NHRL Bretzone? Oh no, I got it. Here's the NHRL Bretzone stream. Ethical reacts.
Oh my.
Ethical reacts.
No,
God, I'm so
say
glad
anything.
Moccasin. What?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
Oh, now I'm worried about it.
It has nothing to do with you.
29. Oh yeah. No, I remember watching this live, Tom. It's a great one.
Anybot.
I mean, this is what Trijinx is designed to do. Big undercutter. The entire, like, radius of
Trijinx
that
is such a
weapon
cool
basically
robot too.
It is. Did you see it at Open Sauce, dude? It turned into a bouncy ball.
They really.
surprised.
Oh my god, yeah, dude. It spent less time on the ground than in the air.
That blade, it looks so much bigger in real life.
The blade's giant.
Nice job, Madeline. All right. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize the lights. Are the lights connected?
lights work.
The lights
Yeah.
work? Are those connected
Yeah,
to
they
the
work.
main electrical? Or are those their own thing?
I think they're their own thing.
Oh my god. Oh, that mechanism is so cool. It's my power lights. So it is through the... Look, they spin too. That's
Yeah,
sweet.
dude. They're full on beacons. It's great.
How is this 3 pounds?
Is it?
I mean, I guess it's 4.5, right?
I imagine.
Or 4.
I thought it was 4.5. I can't keep track of the weight bonuses anymore.
It's 4. It's your weight class. Stay in your weight class.
Dude, I've
Stay in
given
your
up on
weight
keeping
class.
track.
Yippee, robot. Yeah, look at that. They're like swirling at the same time. That's sweet.
NHRL weird. He even has a Sparky
4,
tattoo.
3,
He loves this event.
Dedication.
1. Fight, robot.
Wait, Tom, is that true? Do you have a Sparky tattoo? Wait, before this fight plays, is that true? Is that a lie? Do you actually have a Sparky tattoo? That's awesome.
What a suspenseful story.
Okay, the one DM that I'm gonna open is a picture of Tom Farkas's. Wait, no way! Wait, send it. Okay, and
That's
all my Discord DMs, the one that I'm gonna open, everyone else is getting blocked. I want to see Mr. Farkas's Sparky tattoo. Were you the one who posted it on Reddit, or was this a? Is this the second one? All right, I'm playing this fight.
Here it comes.
That's awesome.
Fully out of the pink corner.
Look at that walk.
Oh my god.
What's happening? Oh,
Dude, he's
weird
strutting.
concept.
Weapon to weapon.
Oh no.
Being
Oh.
gentle with the initial
The
punch.
power lights are still
I
on.
mean, that doesn't look too
His,
gentle to me.
his
I
hat
don't
turned
know.
into a flat cap.
The hat dented in.
Kyle, do you see the spinning?
Brilliant.
weapon?
No, that's all gone.
Oh no, his mustache. Oh dear.
Proof of concept, Brandon Unger. This is a hub motor to
Wow.
Bunger?
Oh.
disc spinner, a drisk, if you will. And man, it hits hard. Poor Frank.
Poor sweet Frank.
Frank.
Oh wow. I'm glad that Brendan let,
Oh, the hat.
let Tom walk
what? What? The house spot like crushing it,
with that vicious neutral discount motor.
continuing to crush it.
The fight was shorter than
Average
Frank's
house spot
walk to his
behavior.
corner.
I actually think you're right. I think it took Frank longer to get to the corner than the fight was, and I don't even know where that weapon went. It's in another universe at this
Yeah,
point.
maybe the ceiling.
Brandon, we've seen him and Tom at this event like a million times in the past. They're both here all the time.
Good night, Kazaya.
And good people.
I think we're gonna call stream after this because there were no other reacts, and I have a lot of message requests.
that's
Oh,
sweet.
no way! That's
sick.
crazy. That's a lot, Tom. That's awesome. That's a
There you go,
lot.
There's a recommendation.
There's one. Okay, Brett Zone 553. 553. React content. Oh, these are
See
12s.
if they can get that back together.
Summers, we're gonna head over to
Oh no, these are
cage
3s.
5.
Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Hang on, you can see me soy facing in chat probably.
Oh my goodness, I am so happy about this.
It's
robot.
Oh yeah, I
Vertimizer.
forgot.
All right, so we've been
Verticalizer.
talking-
Yeah, verticalizer.
I forgot you weren't at January.
No, I was watching every step of the way.
That sounds creepy as hell.
What? What? I was watching Verticalizer. I was completely. What? It wasn't creepy. I was completely addicted to its story. I think it dies here, though. I can't remember. Alright.
That plow is crazy.
Yeah, it's aluminum.
Oh, it's
Do you-
aluminum?
Yeah.
That's
Honestly, that might not be a bad idea. Cause like you could do 16th steel, or you could do like or you could do like 3/16 value.
I mean, I guess, but also I'd personally just get the tie and bend it at Norwalk.
Yeah,
Because,
true.
like, you just bite the aluminum.
Yeah, right. Dude, it's tight. Man, I
Yeah,
should
it looks
ask.
good.
It's like actually moving, like shockingly tight. Man, I need to look at how they're doing that bulkhead, because like that's the way that I want to do mine.
Bulkhead?
Where-
Bulkhead reference? Sorry.
bulkhead mention? Bulkhead mention? See how they're like using the TPU and then bolting
Ooh.
into it? Yeah, like
Those
that's kind of what I want to
weapons are
do.
Interesting too. The weapon
The
motor
1
placement.
pound. Yeah, they're all the way in the back. That UHMW is really thin too. I guess I could get away with thinner UHMW like that. I'm taking notes, Verticalizer team. You're clearly
Your
much
UHMW.
on my Beetle.
Yeah.
I've got it vertically. It's over an inch thick. It's 30 millimeter.
Oh Jesus.
And then yeah, I'm taking okay.
You really are a 12-pound builder.
And
through
then
and
it's
through.
16 millimeter thick back to front.
Oh my
So that might be where some of my weight's at. Seeing this actually helps. I'm taking notes, Verticalizer. I'm taking notes. They're clearly leaps and bounds ahead of me in many ways. Look at that thing. Oh no, the one side's down.
When
That's
you're
a-
making
that's
a
a good one.
12-pound verticalizer module.
Oh, it's on the way. It's
on the
March.
way.
March.
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 Modular max.
March, I'm just gonna be. It's the Yobnall blade on the back.
Time to add us.
Yeah, when Chris was
whatever the
taught.
bar called.
When Chris asked me about welding his bar back together, he actually meant me doing that.
Time to put a swag bar or whatever it's called on it.
Oh, yikes.
I forget what those are called.
Swag bar. Oh yeah. The
Yeah. Swole bar.
yeah, the soul bar. Casey's soul bar on the back.
Yeah.
That would be sweet. The spinning is really tight on verticalizer. I'm gonna be honest. It does not look bad.
It just needs to shift the pivot point like you do, because it just keeps not getting the reach, I guess.
It's also weird that it doesn't gyro when one of the weapons is down. Or maybe that's it gyroing. I guess it would
Wait,
be
how
in
does-
plane. Or like perpendicular to the long plane.
Well, it's such a long robot and such a small spinning mass that it probably doesn't have enough, like,
Yeah.
just mass altogether.
How do you judge this robot? How many weapon modulars are... Oh, wow, they're actually running cleats on it. Oh, that's why it's moving so good. That's...
Doing the Euclid.
Yeah, it's the snake teeth. Or the snake tongue cleats. I see you, verticalizer team. Wow, that's...
You don't even know their name.
It's ASML. No, I know.
Oh, it
it's
is, okay.
Yeah, it's ASML.
Okay.
I don't know who it is. Because it's not the only guy that I know is Ethan on ASML and Jake Abekine. I think that's his last name. Because they were the guys that I fought first with Maximizer. I have an actual question.
Austin
Is it good?
reimbursed you for it? That's crazy.
Whoa! About 15 minutes after I finished.
That's
wait,
sick.
wait. So you walked up to Austin McCord with a still bloody Sparky tattoo and said, "All right, reimburse me." That's awesome. That's a great story. Oh my gosh. Oh, am I still covering up part of the screen? Oh yeah, I am. Oops.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I didn't snap me back in the corner. Oops. So we missed some of that. That's okay. All right, I think I'm gonna end the stream anyways, because this is gotten out of. After leaving a firebomb. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just flashed my DMs up for a second. This was a complete mistake.
Back and under control, at least.
We still have 27 people. Oh wait, one more. 7, 24, 7, 12. At least they're pinging me and not pinging
the Norwalk.
Yeah, please. Dude, Gil's gonna.
J-Mo pinged you.
Did he actually?
He got it on it.
Oh my god.
Will you name your firstborn son Max or Cake?
We love you. Please come back. Dude, oh my god. On my phone, I have 163 notifications on this. Okay. Oh god. No, I messaged Chris from NHL and asked for a good image. He asked why I told him he said Austin would pay for it. I got it done in Tennessee. Oh, okay. That's too bad. That's still sweet though.
Just send him a picture of the
That's
bloody
awesome.
tattoo 15 minutes after.
I thought you walked up to him like at the venue.
He got tattooed at the venue.
Well, they had a tattoo artist there at one point, right?
Did they really? When?
Wasn't that a big meme? People were complaining about how irresponsible. I think it was at finals. I can't remember. I think it was at finals though. All right. Is this another verticalizer fight? Let's go.
Is it the same guy?
Yeah, they won that fight.
No, it's the same.
Oh, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same chatter. Continuing to recommend it. Yeah, awesome. Wow. Haymaker. Wow, it rolled and it rolled right back over.
Whisket's a Rose Holland bot, right? I think that's familiar.
I have no. I don't know.
Oh yeah, you're a 12-pound builder.
Yeah, this is why I'm getting exposed to 3-pound fights. And I
Choosing
like
the most unconventional. Oh, I guess it's.
what? What do you mean? It's my archetype.
No, it's your archetype.
This is
Never mind.
what? This is DD. This is due diligence, dude. This is we're gonna binge all the bulkhead fights, all the Kitsune fights, and then we're gonna watch all the verticalizer fights, and then I will design my 3.
Did it just hop over the weapon coming in?
Wait, what?
Go back. I think it hit the wall and jumped over the weapon. I'm fucking losing my mind.
No,
Wait, no, hang on.
but for some reason
Right
it
there,
always
right there. It jumped over the weapon.
For some reason verticalizer always lands right side down, which is also weird. I don't why.
I wonder if it's a gyro thing, because whenever they get actual connection with the weapon,
That was an actual hit. Wait, that was awesome.
Ooh.
No, that one there.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Why not do wheel guards like verticalizer? I don't know. Maybe I will. We're doing research right now.
On Max?
No. They kind of just get beat to hell.
Yeah. Well, also beetles are faster. I think, right?
What?
Uh.
Oh, way faster.
Beetles are faster than 12s. Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, it's a smaller cage. That's why I'm considering like a shorter
Yeah.
tail.
Are you? Oh, never mind. You're running the repeat pros.
I think
$65 on drive.
I think that's the right call.
Is it?
They're not that much more than the maxes.
Do you really need all that? Do you really need all that drive power though?
Yeah. I mean, that's why I
Yeah.
have 30-pound drive on my 12.
I guess.
Yes. Chad.
Yeah, 30-pound max when, Jake?
I don't know. Probably never.
We know you have the money. It's in your back left pocket. What is that gyro dance? Oh my.
The bottom looks like a barn. Dylan, if you send it to me, I'll watch it.
Do you want to watch me get bullied by Ian?
Yes. Send a link in
Yeah.
in AOL. Do not DM it to me. Actually, I'm gonna
Dude, there's
I'm
literally
gonna
nothing in our DMs.
I'm gonna pixel Jake. No, just send it to AOL.
More verticalizer.
Verticalizer's Joey Chua from ASML. Okay, cool.
I wonder what your plan would be to fight fully defined.
Dude,
That's actually
oh
a
my
good question.
god. To fight fully defined? Yeah, it's a really good
Yeah.
question because I got bodied.
It's such a weird robot.
Yeah.
Jake,
I got
look at your phone.
bodied by a very similar control bot. So that's clearly, I mean, Maximizer's weakness is that you can pick up both wheels on the front, and then you can just bully the body around.
What is wrong with your camera? Oh, I see. No.
I zoomed way in.
Yeah.
Alright, let's watch this fight. Oh, this is a BCRC cage. Dylan, is this your... Oh, this is your 3. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, a jump start.
Oh, wow.
Jesus.
Oh, wow. Are you running magnets? Or no, that's a wood floor.
What the crap is that other robot doing?
Ooh.
Jesus.
Oh wow,
Ooh,
that was a
that's
nice self-right. That was nice.
Ooh,
You're.
is that PLA that just shattered? Like,
I don't drive a lot of verts, so I can't really comment on like your driving. But like in the first part, you were doing a good job of like backing up and then hitting. But like you see how you didn't do it there. I mean that was a good hit, like regardless. But like one thing that you'll see Zach do is that he won't stay on top of somebody like that. He'll like back up and then go in for the hit.
Reposition.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Instead of going in for the hit there, Zach would have backed up and then shot. I mean, you're obliterating this robot, so I mean, you know, how many notes do I actually?
build a vert.
Yeah, I build a vert. Oh jeez, the duct tape. This is about to be a yard sale. Yeah, you did a better job there. Yeah. See how much better of a hit that was? Yeah, that was awesome.
Oh, why are
Holy
they all
crap!
using stupid motors?
Whoa!
Oh,
Whoa! Oh my
So
god.
he's pinging me now too.
Dude, oh my god, now I have 5 pings in my chat. Yeah, nice. Oh, that was your very first fight out? Yeah, she bodied both of those
That's
robots.
a good first
Yeah, yeah. That's yes. Look at your phone. No, don't. I'm not looking at my phone. Dude, okay. Oh my god.
Oh no.
I'm a
Is your Instagram blowing up?
holy shit. Dude, Zach. Stop. I have 500 texts from Zach.
100 texts?
500 texts from Zach.
Dude.
All
That-
right, 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours is the perfect time for a stream. I'm calling this. I hope everybody had fun. I hope to do it again soon.
No, you
I'm
don't.
gonna well, I'm gonna get an upset ping from the moderation team over at NHRL tomorrow about the amount of pings that I put down.
That you procured.
I didn't mean to do. I didn't. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Please come back. We're gonna be designing more of the 3. We're gonna work on the 3. Can we get deep fried Jake? No.
Yes, do it.
It's nice catching the end of it. Yeah, I think most of it should be posted. Okay.
Quite entertaining.
Good. We'll design more of the 3. Maybe we'll catch another.
Are you gonna do another Q&A?
There's no more Q&A. There's no more Q&A ever. Good lord. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys. How do I stop?
Go in.
I honestly.
OBS.
Is it an
Click
OB
stop
out?
streaming.
Okay.